Is that signals from the black box of the Air France jet now have been reportedly located. Hector Kenneth now joins us with the details. Hector.
Right. What we know right now is that the signals from the flight data recorders of the Air France airliner that crashed into the Atlantic, which killed all 228 people on board, has been recorded. This has been being told to us by the Le Monde newspaper, the French newspaper. The Air France spokesperson has said that they won't be confirming the report at the moment, but the Le Monde is reporting that a weak signal was picked up from the black box and a mini submarine that had been dispatched on Monday to try and find them on the bottom of the rugged ocean floor has picked up these signals. What is believed is the black box may contain vital information that could help explain what actually happened when the Airbus A330 aircraft crashed in the sea en route from Rio de Janeiro to Paris on the 1st of June.
Right, but Hector, how long does a black box actually hold data for? Is it just for a month? Is it 3 months? Till when can they actually gain vital information from that black box?
Yeah, the data will actually be secure at the moment. So the investigators will actually piece together the data and will reconstruct the actual flight path. And also there have been suspicion that some of the passengers on board could have had terror links. So that could also be come up if there has been any recordings from the pilot or there have been signals to that effect. So this is important information that the black box indeed has been recovered. At least it's been cited, and that they will now be able to get past it.
Right. Also, Hector, they haven't been able to pull out the black box as yet, have they? Right now, what we're reporting is that they are getting signals from the black box.
Yes, there is a weak signal that has been recorded from the mini submarine that is patrolling the ocean floor at the moment. But once these divers the Navy divers, the French Navy divers, will be going into the ocean to try and recover the black box. At least the first sighting of the black box itself is very important because it will contain the vital information and it will be able to establish what exactly happened during that crash on the 1st of June.